In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Widget to Webflow. We'll walk through installing a popular widget suite from the Webflow apps marketplace and authorizing it for your site. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each screen means, and how to complete the authorization securely. Start by opening the Webflow project page shown in the example, or simply navigate to your own Webflow site in the designer. The process is the same either way. Make sure you're logged into the correct Webflow account so you can install apps without interruptions. Next, click the highlighted area on the page to proceed to the widget option. If you don't see a highlight in your view, use the Apps or Marketplace section in Webflow and look for the search field. Type the name of the widget suite you want to add. In our example, we're heading toward the Common Ninja All-in-One Widget Suite. When the search results appear, click the highlighted result to open it. On the preview or promotional page, you'll see a call-out inviting you to supercharge your website with no-code widgets for design, engagement, and conversions. Click that call-out to move ahead. Then choose Open Full Listing to view all the details in the official marketplace entry. Now click the app title, Common Ninja All-in-One Widget Suite. This opens the complete listing where you can review everything before installing. For clarity, open the Description tab. This explains what the suite includes, typical use cases, and how it integrates with Webflow. Then switch to the Permissions tab. Take a moment to read which parts of your site the app can access, such as assets, pages, or custom code. Understanding permissions helps you install with confidence and follow your organization's security practices. When you're ready, click Install on Site. If you manage multiple sites, confirm you're selecting the correct one to avoid confusion later. Webflow will then prompt you to authorize the app. Click Authorize All-in-One Widget Suite to continue. This step lets Webflow and the Widget Suite communicate securely. You'll be asked to select which sites or workspaces you want to authorize. Choose only what you need for this project to keep access scoped appropriately. After making your selection, click Authorize App to finalize. You should see a confirmation that the app is connected, and from there you can return to your site to configure and place widgets as needed. That's it. You've viewed the listing, confirmed the permissions, installed the suite, and completed authorization. If anything looks different on your screen, you may be in a different account or workspace, so double-check those selectors before authorizing. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Webflow.